2027 Triumph Speed Twin 1200 TFC represents the highest level of craftsmanship in Triumph's modern classic lineup. Built under the exclusive Triumph Factory Custom (TFC) program, this limited edition motorcycle combines timeless British styling with premium components and exhilarating performance. Designed for collectors and passionate riders alike, it delivers a unique blend of heritage and cutting-edge engineering. Power comes from Triumph's 1,200 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled parallel twin engine, producing approximately 104 horsepower and 112 newton-meters of torque. Paired with a 6-speed gearbox featuring a standard quickshifter, the engine offers smooth power delivery, thrilling acceleration, and the unmistakable character that has made the Speed Twin one of Triumph's most celebrated motorcycles. The TFC edition stands apart with its exclusive black and gold paint scheme, lightweight carbon fiber body panels, premium Akrapovic titanium silencers, machined aluminum details, and individually numbered top yoke. Every component has been carefully crafted to create a motorcycle that looks as special as it feels to ride. Technology is equally impressive. Riders benefit from a full-color TFT display, ride-by-wire throttle, multiple riding modes, cornering ABS, traction control, cruise control, full LED lighting, and keyless convenience. Premium Öhlins fully adjustable suspension and Brembo Stylema brakes provide outstanding handling and braking performance, making the Speed Twin 1200 TFC as capable on winding roads as it is beautiful to admire. Comfort remains one of the motorcycle's greatest strengths. The upright riding position, wide handlebars, sculpted seat with leather and Alcantara finish, and balanced chassis make it equally enjoyable for spirited weekend rides and relaxed touring. Despite its high-performance components, the bike retains the friendly and confidence-inspiring character that defines the Speed Twin family. Now let's talk about the price. The latest Triumph Speed Twin 1200 TFC is priced from approximately $25,000, depending on the market and local taxes. Production is limited, making it one of the most exclusive motorcycles in Triumph's modern classic range. If you're searching for a motorcycle that combines handcrafted exclusivity, premium performance, timeless British design, and modern technology, the 2027 Triumph Speed Twin 1200 TFC deserves serious attention. It is more than just a motorcycle. It's a collector's masterpiece built to deliver an unforgettable riding experience every time you twist the throttle.